Hi everyone, so with this ClassMonitor kit you will get two apps to use. Okay, so in this app you will find all of the activities like this. When you will buy the subscription, then this app will activate for you and you will find all the activities like this. These activities are classified as following. There are 15 categories. This kit is for playgroup for 1 to 2.5-year-old kids. And here to study you can scan any study items. Okay, let me show you. You have this flashcard, okay, and you can scan it like this. You will get all the details of the activity which you need to perform. In the similar way you can scan any of the activity that have been provided with this box, like this kit of literacy skills. You can scan this letter like this. And you can open the activity now and you will see what you need to do with this alphabet to teach your kid. And the good thing about this app is you can download this activity to do the next time also. At the end you will get the option to download all the letters and all the activities. You can get these printables ready again and you can perform this activity all over again with your toddler. You will also find some of the charts here. You can scan these charts also, and each and everything is handy. You can find every kind of activities. Okay, and along with these activities there are some kind of these cards also. These are some magic cards. Okay, let me show you how to work with these. There you will get one more app of ClassMonitor. This is magic app. In this magic app you will find the option of magic letters, and when you click on this option you can find the 3D image. Okay, let me show you. You can find this 3D image like this. You can move this image also and you can turn to the next like this. You will find many of the images. So I have found this activity really funny. You can have the 3D image of this objects like this, and you can teach your kids like this is A for apple, and A for X, and A for aeroplane, A for alligator, A for ant, and you can get the 3D view of the image by moving your phone here or there. And let me try on the letter B also. You can try on the two letters simultaneously also like this. You will get the 3D view. B for ball, and B for bat, B for bee, B for board, B for books, B for ball. So I have found this kit very interesting. In this kit you can also find some more options like play with letters, play with numbers. Here you will find some more activities to engage with